dragon bush.
Yeah, there we're working or something.
Hey, what happened to Paul? Hey, Paul! Paul's not responding. There's some sort of emergency. Hey, we need you to call 911. I think we're going to have to do something to bring him down. I'm going to go grab climb gear. You can kind of keep trying to communicate with him and call 911.
Okay, calling 911. Paul, are you okay? Paul, yes, we have a climber. We're a tree crew. We have a climber in the tree who is unresponsive at the moment.
I see that he's dangling under that big hazard limb that we identified in the walkthrough. We'll definitely need to stay clear of that. There is some other smaller deadwood, so we'll need to kind of stay vigilant. Boy, what's going on with him? We need to get up there and check it out. Abe, I'd like you to go set up some cones out at the road, help paramedics locate us. I'm going to work on setting a line so I can get up there and have a closer look. Looks like there's some bees swarming around him. I wonder if he got stung and is having a bad reaction. Hold on, Paul, we're coming for you.
I'm gonna all clear. Grabbing the cones. Setting cones up for the paramedics.
Hold on, Paul.
We're coming, Paul. Stay alive.
Did paramedics give you an ETA aid?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. All right, hold on, Paul. Help is on the way. Okay. I think I'll be able to double bag that down in. I'm going to kind of pay attention to stay clear of that limb. Stay clear.
All clear. Jeez.
Okay. Hey, will you pull down on that part of the line? I want to make sure I don't pull out the wrong line. Pretty sure that's my newer one. So, okay, that one's being pulled out. Okay. Hold on, Paul. Can you hear me? Yeah, he's not responding. Can you tell whether or not he's breathing, Abe?
It looks like he's breathing, but I can't tell from here.
Okay. Yeah, I think I do see his kind of body, his diaphragm working.
What? I don't know, come here.
know how long he's been up there?
Well, just while we went to go drag brush by the truck until the time we saw him, so maybe a couple minutes.
Okay. Well, let's hope the paramedics get here soon. It'd be nice to get their advice as to what to do. I'm going to just go ahead and set a basil anchor.
That's Grandma sees.
Okay, I've got that set. Alright, good. I've got just enough rope on my system, or on my rope runner. Okay, let's go have a look-see. Hold on, Paul. Won't be long now. We'll get those bees away from you.
Look up there.
Okay, I'm going to do a weight test. Okay, yeah, that seems good. Abe, would you hand me the first aid kit and the rescue line, please? I'm going to bring these up just in case.
What's that? I told you that's Grandma sees. Yeah, it's her old one. We're trying to make a video, dude.
Alright, stand clear as I begin my ascent.
Alright. Hey, where are you going?
Okay, so the tree still looks fine. I guess looking at Paul's rope, I don't see any damage to it. His tying points look fine. But yeah, just a reminder that limb is really sketchy. Make sure you're staying clear. I see that he is breathing, but he's making some strange sounds. I suspect this airway is at least partially obstructed. Looks like he's got some welts from his bee stings. Oh boy. Since he is having trouble breathing, I'm not too worried about anything else. I think we just need to get him down as soon as we can. I stand clear.
All clear.
I don't feel good about going down to him because of that bad limb. I'm going to set up a progress capture to bring him over this way and then transfer him onto the rescue line to get him down. Right there. From under the limb, and the bees are no longer swarming him. But yeah, he is breathing. He does have a pulse, but I'm still worried about that airway. It doesn't sound good. I'm going to set up his rescue line. Okay, I've got that set. Got that connected. All right, he's dangling with tension on his rescue system, releasing the other system. Okay, his other systems are disconnected. Hang on, Paul, we're going to get you down. I'm going to establish a tether between us so we can't get separated. Okay. Yeah, it still sounds like his airway is compromised. I just got to get him down. Okay, I think I hear the ambulance. We're just going to leave him suspended until they can kind of take it from there. Oh man. So I'm going to leave him in his harness and just try to keep some pressure off because he's been up there for long enough that I'm concerned about suspension trauma. I'll hear the paramedics come. This is Paul. We suspect he's been stung by bees and he's been in his harness for probably around 10 minutes. So we're kind of concerned about suspension trauma. My name's Tom. I am certified in first aid. Let me know if there's something I can do to help. But otherwise I'm going to just keep doing what I'm doing.